Now this is how the steak is supposed to be cooked, okay? So you slow cook, thick cut, simple seasonings. So now the cook actually got the meat thermometer, so you can tell how well the meat's gonna be. You start by touch, and in a few minutes when that thing's ready, so you will cut and then I will taste it for you. Okay, now the chef's gonna cut the steak and show it to us. So he's gonna tell us how he would do that and what the ingredient he put on this steak here. Yeah.
So we're in the Central Coast, California. We go with the Santa Maria rubs. This is typically used on a tri-tip, which is very famous for this area, right? It's become world famous over the years. But we applied it to a New York strip steak prime. So we cooked it to about an internal temperature of about 140, and then we're gonna see if it's a perfect temperature at this point.
Okay.
All right?
So the first
Almost perfect.
The first piece of the steak is almost done. So the next part is that when you cook steak, you take it out and then you gotta rest. Let it sit. So sit it for a few minutes. So, and this is what people are gathered and look around, see how the steak is doing. So far, the
Close to 129.
So that's 129, 130, almost 140 now. The internal temperature of the steak. So that should be really good. Right? Ready? First, I want to thank the chef who's preparing the steak. Okay, and this is the result of the what he's just did here. So, and if you look at here, this is how you cook the steak properly. Okay, and the ingredient really simple, really simple. So I'm not trying to promote this product, but this is what he's using. Yeah, simple. A lot of onion powders, and with other stuff. But look, the way he cooked it, he used the meat thermometer on this thing here, and look at this. It's perfectly cooked. Now let me taste this, and then I'll give you my reaction how this steak is. Okay. Now, what's this steak here?
This is a New York prime,
Okay.
reverse seared and then charred on direct heat.
All right, now here. Okay, it's a little big piece, but I'm telling you,
Go for it.
it's gonna be really good. Oh. Let me chew a little bit first. But, I tell you, it's really juicy. Okay? The juice is running through your palms way up there. Meat really tender. Well, I got a big piece, so I have to work a little bit. Okay. Overall, nothing can compare.
There's a new trend, right? They talk about reverse searing. What they're trying to tell you is bring up the steak to temperature. That way the cook is even all the way through. And you can see in the sample that from the very edge to the very other edge, it's exactly the same, right? Then you put the crust on it, which adds a little bit more flavor because of the caramelization of the fat and all that good stuff. So you cook it off the fire and then finish it off on the fire and do the sear.
Wow, thank you. I'm glad that you could join us over here. Now, again, this is how we get together, เนาะคนลาวเขาเนี่ยประเพณีของคนลาวเขาเนาะน้ำเมื่อที่ว่าเขามีโอกาสที่ว่าได้เข้ามาซุ่มนุมกันสิเนาะความหักแพงเนี่ยต้องเริ่มกับอาหารก่อนเนาะอาหารแล้วก็สิล่ะต้องมีอาหารดีๆแล้วก็มีเหล้ามียาเล็กๆน้อยๆแล้วก็สิล่ะบ่มีหยังหลายเนาะอันนี้เฉพาะผู้ชายเนาะที่โดยพวกผู้หญิงเขาก็มีเนาะติดตามบักน้ำกันตัวหน่อยที่นี่ก็ตอนคิดขอบคุณกับพลังฟื้นผู้หญิง
Steak, 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 steak. Come.
See, I don't get this, right? When I live in Houston, we don't have get-togethers. Over here, this is...
In addition to the steak, now the second course of the barbecue. Okay, this is what we have. So this one here we have the small intestine, and I believe there's a large intestine. Okay, so this is gonna be grilled on open fire, and it will be grilled like this.
Yeah, you liked it? Yeah. I love my brisket, man. It's so good.
Now,
To me, it's the best bite.
if you look at this open grill here right now, you got two pieces of the steaks up there, and that one, I'm telling you, that's excellent. And right now, so we got large intestine and small intestine and another large intestine. I'll tell you right now, when this thing's done, the Korean barbecue has nothing can compare to this. Okay? Now, we also have the sauce. So this is typical Laotian hot sauce. It's called bai sauce. Okay? The bai make it a little bit bitter, so that will make it, plus the spice of the pepper. It will bring the flavor of the intestine or any meat that you're grilling. I'm telling you, that's gonna bring, the taste gonna be so good. Okay? So people out there, if you don't know what it is, okay? ภาษาลาวแจวปี yeah?
ยังกันเนาะนี่นะพันเมียงวะพันเมียงนี่คือพี่นายพูดร้อนแบบว่าพูดขนาดเทเลยกินน้ำเจียวมีด้วยพันน้ำพันบ่อเท้าพันน้ำบ่อแซ่บป่ะแซ่บป่ะมาเด้อมากินนี่เมียงเมืองหลวงเนี่ยเนาะนี่เนาะเมียงเมืองหลวงนี่สเต็กแซ่บแท้กับประเทศแม่เด็ดมากของกันด้วยนะแซ่บหลายนะติดเมียงขอบคุณอีกเอาลืมขอบคุณกินแล้วไป2 ซองเมียงเมืองหลวงเอาแซ่บแท้เอาอันนี้เช้านี่ก็แค่มื้อนี่ล่ะกินแฮมเบอร์เกอร์กินได้นี่แฮมเบอร์เกอร์ก็มีกินแอนด์เอา
This is July Lompok really that. Look at that. This is a town. Town is a Lompok town is that. When the sun go down. Vanderbilt Village. Anyone will be getting cold, come over here.
อากาศจะลำปอก the weather here at not Lompok but Lompok. Okay?
Vanderbilt Village.
Yeah.
The name
So,
Lompok.
but of course, the Laotian, they tend to change a little bit. Okay, it depends on what part of Laos and that you are. What part of Laos are you from? Northern part of Laos, they call a Lompok. But actually, it's Lompok. Okay, it's Lompok, not Lompok. So, and the weather here actually is really good all year round. So Vandenberg Air Force is not far from here. That's where the SpaceX launched their rocket from here. So in July, just imagine that in July, and they still have to turn on the heat. Look,
Plus you have to have this too.
yeah, see? Now,
Getting warm, right?
เฉพาะคนลาวเฉพาะทานผสมที่อยู่เมืองลาวเนาะถ้าว่าเบิ่งแล้วว่านี่มันไฟอย่างนี้เนาะอันน่ะอยู่บ้านนี่อยู่บ้านอเมริกาที่เราเขาเจ้าบ่ดังไฟฝิงไฟเขาเจ้าได้เป็นจังซี่เด้อเห็นบ่ใส่อันน่ะมันใส่แก๊สมันใส่อันน่ะแก๊สอัดเนาะนี่เนาะบ่มีควันอันนะเบิ่งเด้อเขาเจ้าพากันดาวหลายอยู่นี่พากันใส่เสื้อใส่เสื้อดาวใส่เสื้อใส่หมวกนี่ยามฮอดนี่นะ
แต่ว่าอยู่ล้อมป้องเด้
แม่นล่ะแต่ว่าอากาศจังซี่
We went to Costco and we got a bottle of wine and we went to In-N-Out and have the bottle of wine with the Costco. I mean with the In-N-Out burger.
That's a perfect picture when they're right between the two.
Yeah, the heater, right? Yeah.
That's good. Stay warm in it.
Yeah, right here.
Really good.
I like it because no smoke.
Oh yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
only flame.
You know, even they all here, they all know the weather, right? Right now,
But they have jackets.
they all have jacket and they all have discussion of how well the heat is working.
ลมปุ๊บบอกแม่นล้อมปุ๊บลมปุ๊บ
Now, ภาษาลาวเนาะลม that's a wind ถ้าภาษาอเมริกาเนาะ that's a wind so อยู่นี่เนาะเขาห้องว่าลมพกเนาะลมพัดหลาย
He said have a team barbecue. And he said, I'm gonna
Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe